Hey there, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something that you might have experienced if you own a Ford F-150, those annoying rattling sounds coming from the exhaust system. So, what exactly causes these rattling sounds? Well, many F-150 owners report that this noise often occurs when driving on bumpy roads or when the engine is cold. It can be really bothersome, and of course, we all want our trucks to sound smooth and comfortable, right? One of the common culprits behind this rattling noise is a damaged resonator or baffle in the exhaust system. Sometimes these components can become loose or even break, leading to that unwanted noise. Hearing this sound can definitely make us anxious. Is something wrong with our truck? Do we need to take it to the shop? Don't worry. In many cases, this noise can be addressed with a few simple steps. First, check all the connections and clips in the exhaust system. Make sure everything is securely fastened. If you find any loose components, tighten them up or replace them if necessary. And if you've tried everything, but the noise persists, it might be time to consult a mechanic. They can help you identify any deeper issues and provide the right solutions. Remember, that rattling noise isn't the end of the world. With a little effort, you can get your truck back to its quiet and powerful self. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.